Out planting babies today. Okay, so we'll start collecting and heading back. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna try to walk and talk at the same time, just helping new friend rewild their property. It's got a bunch of acres out here, so this has been a lot of fun. This is what I live for. We planted that. I wish you guys could smell it. Okay, gotta start digging again. Here we are, applauding the last tree. How many trees was that when we did? 58. 61? We've done 61 trees out here, so if I'm in trouble when I get home, you know, there we go.